So let's look at how to dictate typing. First, we're going to start with universal dictation, and this is a tool that should work anywhere. In a web browser, in a form you're filling out, in a document you're writing. This should work anywhere, anytime, whatever program you're using. So for universal dictation, first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your cursor where you want the text to appear. So let's say we're going to use Dictation to go to our Google Drive so that we can find our tutorial documents. I am going to click in there, and then you can see the cursors flashing in the address bar. So for our browser, we have tabs up at the top, then we have the address bar, and then our favorites are in this bar underneath. So any site we favorite will go down there. So in the address bar, if I want to go to Google Drive, I'm going to push the Windows key and H at the same time. And then that initialization and listening bar pops up, and now I can say what I want to go in that address bar. drive.google.com. And then when you want to stop, you can either just click on the microphone to stop it from listening, or you can close it out by clicking on the X here. So to get dictation back, you would have to type Windows H again. But now I should just be able to hit enter, and it's going to call up my Google Drive. Now, the second kind of dictation is one that works in Google. So this won't work for your browser or your Forms or your Word document, but if you're in anything in the Google suite, like Google Docs or Gmail, this one should work as well. So if we go up here to Tools, and then down here, you can see that voice typing is Control plus Shift plus S. So we're going to use that to add something new to this document. So we could either go to Tools and just click on that and it will start, or we can use that Control, Shift, and S at the same time, and that's going to open it up as well. If you get this prompt, you're always going to allow it to use your microphone. Place your cursor where you want the text to appear. And we just click on it again to stop. And that'll stay there for a while, so if we want to start it again, we can click on the microphone. If we want to stop it again, we just click on it again. So when it's red, it's recording. When it's not red, it isn't. And then to get rid of it, again, you're just going to click on the X.